What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. You see the bikes in the back. Enough of that. Got a whole bunch of boxes of parts here, man. So let's open them up and see what we got, dog. First off, we have our inner and outer. Pretty smooth. All the holes and stuff is already drilled. The inner is already gloss black. The outer is gloss black as well. Does look really, really good. Seems like it'll be a simple mount up there. As well, we do have our saddlebags here. Here are the saddlebags. Black on black trim. Ready to go already. So those gloss black things is ready to go. We also have our saddlebag rail guards, because this one here is scratched up and bent. So this one will straighten that out. We do have our front brake here, so that should fix that problem, because inside there is pretty much stripped. We can re-thread it, but you know, here it is. We do have the crash bar here. It came flat black. No big deal there. And I'm waiting. It says our brake delivered. However, I don't see it in the mail, man. So I don't know. I think I got jacked or something. We'll see. And next morning here, welcome back to a Everything's Regular video. Man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys ordered a blue camo hat, man, check your mailbox, because they should be there today, man. This thing is looking and feeling good on me, so I know you guys are gonna like it. It actually came out way better than I expected. But without further ado, man, we got a few bikes in the back, man. We got a whole garage full of parts, man. We got to get this thing going, man. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. That thing is just about done. So any day now, we should be pretty much tidying up. And I know once we finish it up, that thing will be pretty much gone, man. So enter right now if you haven't. And let's get right into it now, shall we? Definitely got to pull her car out, because it's like no space in here, man. All right, so we do have our brake here. We're going to be putting this new one on, because of course the old one is like stripped out. So we're going to take this brake off, pop this new one on, and see if we can get some front brakes at least. And then from there, we'll see what we can do, man. We got the brake on there now, and everything's tightened up here. However, we literally have no brake fluid in this thing, man. So we got to go get some brake fluid today, so we'll be able to get our brake to work. As you guys can hear, it's sucking in. It's nothing in there. So that'll fix our brake issue, hopefully at least. As for inner and outer and all the other parts, we got to take this stuff to Antonio, man. So the only thing I pretty much got to take off this bike, yeah, we got to take off the fender, gas tank. And then from there, we'll see what's up. Now, as much as I'm so tempted to just put this back together right now and have this bike complete today, so we got the fender, we got the bags, we got the front and inner and outer fairing. All these other parts should be here today. We literally could put this bike back together, all black, but you know, black is just boring to me. So, got to take it to Antonio's. But we haven't got a first start on this thing since we pretty much got it. Let's see if we still got some juice in this John, man. Totally dead. Battery is Totally shot. So we got the chrome lowers in for this bike. So I think I'm going to take the legs off and stuff myself, or at least try to. Seem like it should be pretty easy. This bolt, those 2 bolts, and then should pretty much slide out. But we'll see, man. We'll see. All right, so we know we got to get some brake fluid for that joint. But meanwhile, we got to get this stuff ready to take to Antonio. So we're about to detach these bags, get them all taken apart, and get that going now. Quick spiel. Now, you guys notice how the bottom of that bag has a curve over the pipe. I actually like those bags a lot more. I have a couple of bags over there. I don't know if the bottom has that curve or not, but we will check it out. If it does, we'll just switch the bottoms. Otherwise, these will be our go-to. These will be our go-tos, no big deal. So let's fish that other saddle bag out, check over there, and get this thing, for me, knocked out real quick. I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. I've been trying to get some work done down here for the longest, and freaking it is just like so hot, like even inside, outside. Garage is just overly hot, man. So I gotta like find an AC or something, because I can't be working like this. I'm gonna freaking pass out in here, dog. Got those bags taken apart, we can focus on the bike, which is gonna be the rear fender and the gas tank, which we're gonna be taking off. No big deal there, but we'll get it off real quick. So we got our rear fender off. Gotta take it all apart. No big deal there. My freaking camera is like overheating, man. It's so hot in this garage, but we got that off. So now we're just gonna take off our gas tank and pretty much just get this thing ready for paint and get it ready. As for the wheels, I wanted to do some custom wheels. However, I think I'm gonna be going with these same wheels here because my guy already has them on standby. So that'll be that much easier. So when we get this paint set back, we should have these wheels back, and then it'll flow that much easier. Meanwhile, we gotta set this thing up, get this cup removed, get that fork situated, and go from there. So almost there, slowly but surely. A couple minutes later here, and we got the gas tank off. Pretty much everything is ready to go to the paint shop now. So time to move this thing back in its spot, wait on the other parts to get here, and then we'll go from there. All right, so got our gas tank all stripped down, ready to go. We got our bottom half of our rear fender. We have our rear fender that's ready to go. The homie just pulled up in that joint, which y'all see here first. So we got the rear fender taken care of, gas tank, saddlebags. Don't know if I'm gonna use that as a fender, but I might. So we do have a fender for now. And then along with this inner and outer fender. So we're gonna take all this stuff to Antonio maybe tomorrow, if not the next day, and then we'll be taking our silver 2020 Road Glide down to LA to be getting fixed. So trying to knock all that out at the same time. That'll be perfect. So we'll see what happens, man. But y'all see it, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Now that we got everything packed up, ready to go, thinking about getting my helmet painted too. I think I'm gonna do that this time, man. So we're gonna see what's good. It is the start of a new day, guys. It is finally time to head to LA. Yes, sir. I can't even wait, dog. I cannot wait, man. Time to get this thing going, man. So we're gonna load up the truck, get all our parts in there, get everything good to go. Take the car seat out. I'm gonna go get a car wash before I go, just because you know I like riding clean, man. Now I would take the bike down there, however, it is my dog's birthday, man. So he out and about doing his thing. So we'll have to postpone taking this 2020 down there. But you guys know we do have the other 2020, the Silver Road Glide that we blew the transmission up on, man. It's time to finally get that thing fixed, man. So we headed up to Harley this morning. When they open, we're going to pick that thing up, load it on the back of the truck, and take it down to LA to get it fixed. So that thing should be done within the next couple days or so, if not tomorrow. So can't wait, man. We're going to get it done and get it loaded up, man. So let's go. I just pulled up to Harley. About to get this thing ready to get loaded up. So let's get at least the ramp and stuff set up real quick. We got our parts, we got our gearbox and everything. Gotta try it again and see, dog. Alrighty, guys, here we are. Now, I haven't heard this thing start up in forever. But sitting here, do not ride, transmission destroyed. Hey, that's hilarious, dog. Do not ride, transmission destroyed. Let's see what this thing sounds like, dog. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so we see the radio is working now. See the radio is working. Yes, sir. We finally got some action here, guys. Yeah, I guess it thinks we're in New York or something right now. Let's see if we can find us on the map. Oh my God. Yes, sir. That's nuts. Alrighty, guys. So I was going to take it to LA. However, the main part on here is still covered under warranty. So the price that we were going to pay our buddies in LA is pretty much the same thing here. So I don't got to load this bike up and take it all the way to LA and then hang around for a day to get that thing fixed tomorrow. So it's going to be getting fixed by Harley. I don't want to hear none of you guys complaining. You guys know it's going to be nice and right. So maybe in the next couple days, we should be getting this thing back and getting it situated. Now, I know you guys seen the radio turn on. So that was the reason why I was here this long. But you guys know when it's done, it'll be freaking ready to ship. So can't wait to get this thing out of there, get that second good ride on there, man, and not blow it up. But we will see what's good. In the meantime, man, let's head to the city and head to Antonio. Pulled up to Tonio's. About to get this thing dropped off. Well, about to get this thing dropped off. All these pieces to the 2020 Road Glide. It's about to get painted. And then we about to pick up the stuff for the Road King so we can finish that thing off this week. So I can't wait, man. I'm gonna offload this and get back out with y'all in a second. Yes, sir. Got them things ready to go. Ooh, I can't wait, man. Time to head back to the Crizzy and get these things good to go. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We did a few things today. We went and checked on the 2020, man. We went down to LA. We went and picked up our stuff from Antonio. So now we can finish off that Road King and at least get it ready for the rims to be put on. That's like literally the last thing we're waiting on right now is the rims. You know, they're chrome, so it takes a little bit longer than just powder coating something black. But without further ado, man, if you guys haven't entered that thing, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We only got a limited amount of entries left, so head over there right now, because once we put that rim on and stuff, it's gonna look crazy. Meanwhile, I am thinking about switching the bars on there. It seems like it's a pretty easy job. So I think today I'm gonna go look for some risers and stuff, man. So in the meantime, man, if you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.